Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Bgmi and confirming your account is logged in, because name changes are account-specific and irreversible without a rename card. Once done, make sure the app is updated and your network is stable. This prevents errors during validation. Now go straight to Profile, tap the Edit or Name icon, and the name change prompt will appear. You're initiating the process immediately, so have your rename card or currency ready to purchase one from the in-game shop if you don't already own it. You'll now enter the new name itself. This step matters because Bgmi enforces length and content rules. First, use your rename card or buy one in the store under Events. Once applied, type the name exactly as you want it to appear. Make sure it meets the 216-character rule and contains only allowed characters, because invalid characters cause rejection. After typing, pause to preview how it looks. Then tap Confirm. The system checks availability and reserves the name if it passes validation. You finish by confirming the change and then restarting Bgmi so the update propagates across game servers and your friends see it. Once the game reloads, check your profile, friends list, and any linked accounts for consistency. This ensures there are no sync issues. If the change fails, don't panic. Clear the app cache, wait 10-15 minutes, and try again if errors persist. Gather any purchase receipts or rename card ID and contact in-game support so they can trace and resolve the transaction.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.